Our next step is to make sure that it works on all devices. If you look here at the top of your screen, you'll see an icon of a computer, which is what we've been working in, a tablet, and a phone. So if we click on any of these, it'll make the screen smaller, so you'll see what things will look like. Looking good so far. Excellent. That looks pretty nice on a tablet. Let's check on a phone just to make sure. And you can see here that everything is fitting on the screen. We might want to make a few changes. On a phone, this is looking a little bit odd because we have all of this padding over here and the font size is very high. Let's bring this down a little bit. Let's take this down to, say, 24 pixels. That's a little bit better. And we need to get rid of some of that padding. If we go over here, we can see that padding. Let's just delete it, make it 0 pixels. It's back how we would expect it to be on a phone. And I think we could probably take this down as well. This bottom padding that was so big on a larger screen, we can take that down a lot. So let's take that down to, say, 50 pixels. There we go. The changes that you make here will only apply to the smaller screen sizes. It won't apply to the larger widths of the screen. So if we go back over to the laptop, we can see that that large padding is still there and that our font size stays big, and then we have the padding on the right hand side as well. Though this worked responsively out of the box, you'll always want to make sure that you come up here to the top and just take a look at the other screen sizes and make any small tweaks. Once you finish your page, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button in the upper right-hand corner. Now that it's published, when we click on the eyeball, we can see View Live Page is now available. So let's click on View Live Page. Ta-da! Now you can see that we have a URL, and we can use this URL to look at it on our phones and to share with other people. Back in Builder, you can see that same URL right here in the upper right. I hope you've had just as much fun as I have in building this page. Good luck with your creations.